68 years of nonstop hiccuping. Can you imagine hiccuping every single day for nearly 7 decades? That's exactly what happened to Charles Osborne, who holds the record for the longest hiccuping spree in history. Starting in 1922 and lasting until 1990, Osborne's hiccups were a relentless companion, turning what most of us consider a brief irritation into a lifelong challenge. Despite trying countless remedies, nothing could stop the hiccups that plagued him for 68 long years. His condition baffled doctors and became a testament to human endurance and resilience. How would you cope with such an unusual and unending ordeal?